Hello kids, let's learn some 2D shapes. These are our shapes. It is parallelogram, heart, pentagon, quad arrow, 5-pointed star, thunderbolt. This is black color. Let us draw these shapes. Now let us know about colors. It is yellow color. It is green color. It is red color. It is blue color. It is orange color. It is light green color. Now let us color the shapes. It is light green color. It is parallelogram. Red color. It is heart. It is blue color. It is pentagon. Orange color. It is quad arrow. Up, down, left, right arrow or quad arrow. It is yellow color. It is star. It is dark green color. This shape is thunderbolt. Kids, let us recall the shape's name and color name once again. Parallelogram, light green color. Heart, red color. Pentagon, blue color. Quad arrow, orange color. 5-pointed star, yellow color. Thunderbolt, dark green color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.